What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Monday, the 18th of August, 2025. Can you believe the summer's almost over? It really is. And even though it's been a blessing to be a little quiet here in the great communist state of New York with service calls that are on the schedule, good things are happening. We have 2 new employees starting this week, both plumbing techs. One is starting this morning. Hopefully he should be here within the next 15-20 minutes. Nice gentleman, younger gentleman, very nice. And then we have a, God willing, hopefully starts on Wednesday, we have a U.S. Marine veteran starting with us on Wednesday. Both plumbing techs. We're gonna fill this truck up. We're gonna fill up the other truck. Making moves, folks. Making moves. Daniel, DC HVAC, he just invested heavily into himself yet again. I'll let him explain that to you once he on his channel. But I'm just going over the inventory for the new truck. We added a few things. You know, everything is quite detailed in the vehicle master inventory list. Everything is in there. Every little screw, folks. I know that sounds like I'm a Nazi, but I don't count every single little screw, in case you're wondering, okay? But if you have 3 fiddle plugs, there's 3 on the list here. Screws are in bulk. Screws, nuts, washers, stuff like that. But nonetheless, there that is. Dan, you're making a video on your channel about what you got this weekend? Wasn't planning on it? Let's just say that it's well-deserved. We'll keep it at that. We're not going to talk about it. We'll let him explain that. What's up, Derek?
Good morning.
Fucking Daniel's a baller, huh?
Yo, you seen that new toy?
He's got a nice new toy, yeah. Baller. Finally got rid of that hoopty.
It's crazy going from that to that.
It's like a whole nother world. Now you feel like a distinguished gentleman. Now you can get some real pussy. Feels more adultish? Well, you are an adult. You're a property owner. You have a great job. You freaking have a nice car now. No. I don't want people to give you the evil eye or talk bad about you. It's all good. Yeah, they're going to do that anyway. Haters. They're haters out there. By the way, tomorrow, I got you hooked up. First of all, the Nest, he doesn't like how the Nest turns off the systems when no one's there. Right? So if we have to replace all the thermostats in the house, which I think are 12 or 15 thermostats, he wants every single HVAC system to work. And I'm going to go there with the plumber tomorrow. We're going to make sure all the plumbing in the house works. All the toilets, sewer line, all that good stuff. And we need to give him a proposal for anything that needs to be replaced to get him in good shape. We'll be there tomorrow.
I think there were a few things that needed to be replaced last time we did this.
Okay, we're going to do it again. Whatever needs to be replaced, we're going to give him a proposal, and he's going to move forward with that. So it could be a nice little end of summer blessing for Pipe Doctor. That's right, folks! So we hired someone on Friday, and I hired someone yesterday. 2 new people. We shall see. Tavon. I don't forget his last name, but it's an Irish last name. Yes. Yes. He's like darker than him. Not that it makes a difference, but Tavon. Nice guy, lives in Laurelton, not too far away from here, works for Roto-Rooter. You know what Roto-Rooter charges to snake out a shower drain?
I would think it'd be cheap.
You would think it would be cheap, Call Roto-Rooter, and your troubles go down the drain, right? You think it'd be cheap, right? Well, we charge like $250. Put it this way, they charge almost 3 times that. Yeah. It's crazy. Nuts.
And people use them. Like they're popular.
Yeah. Yes, they are. It's crazy. What are we doing today? Are we doing anything exciting today? I know I'm putting a shower body in and a garbage disposal.
4 ductless units?
Oh, in Astoria?
Yeah.
We're not really going to Astoria, really?
There is something for Fujitsu units here.
Was I there before? I think I was. Where's Jobs? No. I could have sworn we were there before. That's far.
I know.
We don't normally go that far. I need to tell her. on the schedule. Astoria's far. I could swear we were there before. It looks very familiar. Maybe not though. Let's see.
I feel like every place there looks the same.
BQE. Damn. All right, best get going. Make sure you call them. Let them know, hey, it's I'm heading out to you now. Don't forget the machine. Okay, I cleaned out the bib last week as well. Damn, it's far. Astoria. Oh, damn, it's far. We don't normally go that far, folks. But I could have swore we were here before. I really could have swore we were here before. Let's look that up. No, I guess not. Is there another one of that customer name in here? Nope, there's only one. We didn't get his email address. What the hell? Why didn't we capture his email address? Nope. We didn't get his email address. We just got his phone number and his address. I got to talk to the office manager. See why we don't have his email address. Anyway, folks, it's 7:17 here in the morning in the great state of New York. About to get the show on the road here. Hopefully, God willing, my new hire starts today. I told him around 7:30 to be here. So here's Janine. She's here, and we're good to go. I'll catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.